Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the Wix app for blogging in 2025. So if you want to post the blogs from your phone and manage your website easily, this tutorial is for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you will have to download the Wix application from your Google Play Store or App Store. After that, you need to open it and log in into your account in order to access your dashboard. Now, once you do this, you are going to see this type of page in front of you where you need to simply tap on the option of this plus icon here on the top. Now, you can select the option of blog post, and here you can just start creating your post, and these posts are going to be on your website. Now you can also come here on the home page and go to the analytics where you can take a look at the analytics of your website. After that, we have the AI charts as well. So if you want to make changes into the theme of your website, so you can do it with the help of this AI assistant. After that, we have the inbox option as well, where you are going to see all of the messages here. So you can just archive them, you can read the messages, or you can also write the messages. When you tap on the option of manage in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, it is going to show you the getting started option, the sales option. So since you want to use it for blogging, when you tap on the option of blog and when you select the option of posts, you can just simply start creating your post right away. First of all, you can add the title of your post. After that, you need to start writing whichever you want over here. After that, you can add any images, select the dividers, add the links and the lists. You can also copy and paste the text from your notes, and the application format will come here cleanly. Once you are done, simply tap on the option of next on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then from these given options, you can just simply either schedule your post or you can save and publish it right away. So this way you will be able to start using Wix application for blogging in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.